Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. As you can tell, I'm not pregnant anymore, so I had a baby on the 25th of September, around 3 weeks ago. She is right here. I've got the baby monitor. She's sleeping right now, so it gives me a little bit of time to film this video, and she just fell asleep like 30 minutes ago, so I think I have a little bit of time to film this video. By the way, her name is Adele. She is such a cute little baby, and I'm just so happy, over the moon happy. I couldn't be happier with her and with the new lifestyle and everything. Of course, it's challenging sometimes. Like today, she wouldn't fall asleep for like 2 hours. That's why I'm filming a little bit later in the day, and the lighting outside is not that great anymore, but at least I'm trying. I really want to push myself and try and balance having a baby, but also continue doing what I love doing, and that's filming YouTube videos. When I was pregnant, I had mixed feelings about my YouTube career, and you know, I just had a lot of things running through my mind at the time, and I think it's also like hormones and everything. Maybe because I wasn't feeling that great to film videos because she was kicking me constantly and it was so painful. I couldn't sit. I had to either walk or lay down. I was swollen all the time, and you know, I'm just so happy that that period of my life is over, that I am now like almost myself. Of course, my body is still recovering, it's still healing, and I still have a lot of kilos to lose, but at least I can film, at least I can sit, I can function, I can do whatever. I'm not swollen anymore, and I'm just so excited to be back on YouTube. Ever since I gave birth, this was like the thing I wanted to start doing again. And today, actually, I wanted to catch you up, guys, on a few things that I bought since my last upload here on YouTube. So I'm actually wearing one of the new pieces today. This very cool crystal embellished t-shirt from Gucci. It says Lemon Gucci, and then it has this little lemon. Is it a lemon? Yes, it's a lemon on the wheel. And this is such a cool t-shirt, and this was actually a little gift from my mom when she arrived here to help me out the first 2 weeks. Her and also the rest of the family, like my entire family, came over, and I'm just so grateful for that as well, because it was such a huge help. But back to the new pieces topic. This t-shirt is really cool. I thought I wouldn't like wearing something this blingy in your face, you know, because during my pregnancy my style changed quite a bit. You know, I have nothing against logos, but it's not something I think I enjoy that much right now. I prefer something more muted. I prefer plain pieces, like plain white t-shirt, plain black t-shirt, plain blazer and stuff like that. I'm also very into suits right now and straight leg pants, and I actually have a few new pairs that I will show you in the future videos. Not in this one, because I want to talk about a bag that I bought, and then I also have a pair of shoes that I need to go and get to show you. And this t-shirt, by the way, is in size small. It runs pretty oversized, and I think it's such a cool, you know, statement piece, especially for going out maybe in the evenings. Yes, it's a t-shirt, it's nothing, you know, dressy or fancy, but because of this crystals, it gives me that vibe, that, you know, fiesta vibe. And I actually brought my Prada Crystal bag here. It's the re-edition 2000, and they have the exact same crystals, but I would say that the Gucci ones are a lot heavier than the Prada, because the t-shirt is so heavy that it's, you know, it's pulling down because of the weight of the crystals. But I think if I wear the two together, yes, it's a little bit over the top, it's a little bit much, but if it's some, you know, very fancy bright party, then why not? Especially paired with straight leg black pants, for example. I think that would look really, really cool. Or maybe a skirt, who knows, and some silver boots. So I think the two pieces can look very cool together. Now let me quickly go grab the shoes that I wanted to show you, and I'll be right back. And I am back. So these are the shoes I was talking about, and I've decided to show these two pieces together because I bought them pretty much at the same time, so it's like, you know, makes more sense to show them together. But they're from Loewe. I don't have a box, and I honestly didn't have time to like put them back in the box and then show them to you here and then put everything away, because with baby I don't have much time to film. So I already unboxed them, I already wore them a few times. They're really, really comfortable. I don't remember what the name is, but I'll put it right here. But it's the, you know, the very classic, very popular style from Loewe. I really love the color. It's this orange color, which is so pretty, and it has some nylon in the middle part, but also some suede, and also the Loewe logo in white leather. And I think they're so freaking fabulous. You know, I have a very similar pair in terms of materials from Chanel, the black and white sneakers that I have, and I love them so much, and I found them so comfortable because of the material, so the nylon and the suede leather. And when I saw these Loewe ones, I was sold. And also I, you know, wasn't worried about the color, especially over here. You know, these parts are the most delicate ones when you wear them, especially if you know, kick a door or something. A mark would definitely stay on a lighter suede color like this one. But they actually have this little rubber protections in the front, but also in the back, so I wasn't really worried about that. And I don't have any orange clothes per se, but I love that these sneakers are sort of an accent piece in my, you know, plain outfits, like a gray one or a black one. They have this Loewe in gold at the back. Very comfortable sneakers. They come in so many different colors. Initially I wanted to go for like a white pair or a black pair, something very basic, very classic, but then last minute I saw this one and I fell absolutely in love. I think they're so cool. It's something I don't have in my collection really, and I wanted to try them out and see how I like them. They run true to size, Italian sizes, so I used to be 37.5 after pregnancy. I am now 38. Maybe once I lose all the weight from pregnancy, maybe I will go back to 37.5, but for now, I'm at 38. I must say they run true to size. So if you're interested in them, get your regular size, and I will link them below if you're interested. But you know, I was very surprised by how comfy they are. Now with my new lifestyle, with walking outside a lot, comfortable shoes is really something I pay attention to, is really something I need in my closet, and these Loewe ones are definitely the best. Now I want to show you my new bag. This is the very first Jacquemus bag in my collection, and you know, Jacquemus has been around for such a long time. Their bags have been around for many years, and everybody absolutely loved them, especially the Le Chiquito bag, you know, the tiny miniature bag. I was never really into that style. I don't know why, it just didn't resonate with me. It wasn't something I liked for me personally, and I also think that bag didn't really fit my style, my personal style. And then I saw this bag. I got it from Luisa Via Roma, and I fell in love. I thought it was so cool, and it's also something I don't have in my collection. Like this type of bag I never had in my collection, and in this color. So yeah, I've decided to go for it, and here is the bag. By the way, the reason I was checking out Jacquemus bags was because it was my little sister's birthday, and my mom told me she wanted the Loewe bag, and I was browsing through Jacquemus, you know, section, their bags, choosing the one for her, and yeah, that's how I saw this beauty. So this bag is called, let me tell you, I think it's called Le Bambino. Yes, it's called Le Bambino 24, and it's in white leather. This color, the white color, is so beautiful. It's this, you know, chalk white. It's this pure white color, which I didn't have in my collection before. It looks so fresh, and it looks so modern and so stylish. I love that it's very structured. There is the regular Le Bambino bag. It's not bad. It looks a little bit off, at least to me. That's why I opted for this one instead. It's a larger size, it fits a lot more, and it's just such a freaking cool bag. It has the Jacquemus logo over here, and it has the magnetic closure, which is pretty, you know, convenient and easy to use. Inside there is another, you know, this is also a magnetic closure, so it's like a double magnet situation. It has linen lining inside in this I would say clear beige color, like the lighter beige color. This is what the bag looks like inside. It's kind of difficult to see because it doesn't really open that wide, but it has a pocket inside. I have this little Jacquemus card. That's pretty much it. It just has this one little pocket, which I never used actually, and I've used this bag a few times already when we were outside with a baby, because I got it right before I gave birth. So it also comes with this thick strap in white color, in leather. What I don't really like about this strap is probably the length and the width. So it's a very bulky to carry it like this. I feel like the only option is maybe on the crook of my arm, but also like this. When I was pregnant, this looked a little bit awkward on me, but now I feel like it looks a little bit better. The only thing is that if I wear like a chunky cardigan or a jacket, or imagine me wearing like my Max Mara coat, this will not be possible because this strap is just short, and I know it would slide off my shoulder all the time. So I guess the only option to wear the bag is on the crook of my arm, which is sort of annoying, but I found a solution, kind of. One thing though that I love about this strap is that it has this card pocket, literally a tiny little pocket for one card. It can be anything. It can be like a loyalty card, it can be a public transportation card, it can be your ID card, it can be your driving license, it can be your credit card, but just one card. And I think it's so cool. Imagine like walking in a store, not feeling like grabbing your wallet from the inside of the bag. Instead, you just open this tiny little pocket, you get your credit card, and you pay for whatever you're buying. This, I think, is genius, and more bags, more straps need this. But I think this was actually the reason why the strap is so thick, but I don't know. Well, it's something, once again, I didn't have in my collection. This is my first Jacquemus bag, and I feel like I just needed to find the right bag from this brand to start loving it so much, because now I am like kind of obsessed with Jacquemus. Is that weird? But one solution I found to wear this bag is I have my large Bobby, Dior Bobby bag, and it comes with this thick strap, thick guitar strap. And you know, this kind of straps I feel like are not that popular anymore. I never see people wear them anymore. Everybody is more into smaller bags, you know, bags that you wear on the crook of your arm and stuff like that, but not crossbody really. So these straps are probably out of fashion by now, but I don't really care as long as it serves the purpose, as long as I can carry this bag more comfortably. I I will do that. So I just attach this strap to the bag. Thank God they both have gold hardware. And then this strap just goes under the bag like so. You see, so it doesn't look awkward, or I can completely remove it if I wish to. And then I can, you know, crossbody this bag, as you can see, and wear it a lot more comfortably. This was actually the way I wore this bag, and I think I have a picture, so I'll put it here and you can take a look. And I also think that I can easily wear the two together, since these shoes have some white details on them as well. The white is not exactly the same. This white is a little bit more creamy, whereas this one is like paper white color. Another little update, I cut my hair short and I love it so much. I think it just suits me so much better than having really long hair. I think this is pretty much everything I wanted to cover in this video today. Thank you so much for watching, and you can follow me on Instagram. It's @bonjouraika. I also have another Instagram account where I talk about style specifically, because this is the direction I want to take for my future. I'm actually now doing courses to become a certified stylist, so this is something I'm very passionate about. So that account is Stylegram Daily. I will put both here. I would love for you to follow me there. Send me a message, we can chat, and if you need any style help, if you need a stylist, feel free to contact me as well. But thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!